June 24th. Can't believe we're halfway through the year. 6 months to Christmas Eve. Holy shit. Is that not crazy to anyone? That's crazy. Well, make the most of it. Do the best we can. Time is a flying. Time is a flying. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't even know if anybody's here yet. Hopefully all sane people are sleeping. No need to be up this early in the morning unless you care about trading. There we are, live on TikTok. Okay, we're definitely live on TikTok. Oh shit, gotta make that. There we go. All right. Now I think we're live on YouTube. Let me get that set up real quick. Good morning to everybody. See if our live is showing. Correct call, 122. Yep, 120 correct calls. That's correct. Okay. Let's change that. Let's go over here. I have not even looked 1 second at any chart. Looks like our buys clicked in. The reason I say that is because it's acting fine. Because I see my alerts are all triggered. There's 6 alerts I left you all in that are triggered. We had over 120 correct calls yesterday on one live, and that's not even all of them. There's way more than that. Let me see if I can do something with our change. Let's change that to, oh, I never done our logo, so that looks so. Sure, why not? And let's see what that looks like on our, well, maybe. Okay. Well, I guess we're live. Oh, there we go. That took a minute. All right, now we're live. Let's see, anybody here? Oh, there's 7 of you. Yay. What's up, peeps? We have Fletch. Good morning, Fletch. Good morning, Aussie Trader. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? TikTok, I know they can hear me on TikTok, yeah. I'm sure we're good TikTok. Did all my therapies this morning. Feel great. My brother Mike wants us to buy a hyperbaric oxygen chamber. I'm like, no, Mike. I don't think so. I mean, they're great. They're healthy. I just don't have room, and I'm not installing one in my house. That shit. But we can go get some therapies done. Loud and clear. Yes. Thank you, Fletch. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Bradley. Good morning, Sub-Zero. Just finished a little bit of my hydrogen water. Did some Wim Hof breathing this morning. Good morning, Joe Biga. Good morning, Aussie Trader, Joe Biga and Rampage. Welcome to the channel. You happen to stumble upon a life-changing channel for the better. All right, not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I am not
a financial advisor. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Arginus. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. What's up, peeps? You can clearly see we have 6 alerts already from yesterday, not today, I don't think. But it looks to me like things were going up. Let's see. Oh, we got a flip. We got a flip. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, it didn't go down to the 30-second. Oh, hold on. Is it going to head there? Yes, we might get it. Sell stop to the 30-second blue line. Let me check it on our multiple screen. Down to the 15-second. Yep, definitely 30-second. Yeah, I don't call this as an unofficial call, but it is a sell stop to the 30-second blue line. Let's hope it gets there, because if it gets there, then we get our reversal. Yeah, I don't think the reversal started. When was the last time the reversal started? Nope, not what I want. This is Luna reverse. Kevin's active. What? 1 second. No shit. June 18th. Oh, that ain't right. Last triggered June 23rd at 13:10. June 23rd at 13:10. You know how far back we got to go on seconds? Oh, no, I ain't doing all that shit. I thought it was take me there. It was first. 13:10. June 23rd. 9:54. US 30, NQ crossing. US 30 crossing. Look at all those XRPs. All those XRPs, baby. Yeah, baby. I love how it's stamped. Golds. Look at all those. Anyhow. All right. We'll make new ones. I just wish we would go down to that 30-second blue line, but I don't know if it's got its 1 second buy. Fuck. NQ1. Yeah, it's going to go to that blue line and cross. Damn. I don't know if we'll get the 30. I say it anyways. Maybe we'll make it into reality. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, and X, Facebook Live. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning, Trusted Kicks. Good morning, everybody. There's a few of you this morning. I'm kind of surprised, to be honest with you. Oh, I guess it's not too. What is it? 6:48, so it's almost 7. That's cool. I forgot I did all my therapies first and everything. I slept pretty good. You know what we can do this morning? Take care of that. All right. Let me entertain you. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Da, 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 da. Yeah, unfortunately, it's going back up. Fuck. Sleepy. Do 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 do. Yeah, there I am. Tiny little. What's up, peeps? Da, 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 da. This is the TikTok camera right here. Da, da, da. Doot, do, 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 doot, do, 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 doot, do, 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 doot, doot, do, 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 do. Doot, do, 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 do. All 5 indices are blue topped with pink and purple bottomed at 15 minutes. All indices are pink topped and blue bottomed at the 15-minute. Let's see what Crash is talking about. Yeah, we're talking about 15-minute buy stop. It's not really 15 minutes to fill in the gaps. We'll have to go down probably 7 minutes, maybe 10. Yeah, we'll call it a 10-minute, 15-minute buy stop. All indices thanks to Crash and his interpretation of what he is seeing. Nope, that's my picture one. Well, what the Hades? Nope. Hmm. Doop, 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 doop. 7-minute, 8-minute are safety trays with blue, pink bottom. So yeah, he went to the 7, 8 minute. I think you're closer to a 10-minute on US 30, a 10-minute, 10. I don't know if these are actual. Yeah, I think that's a red dot right there. Either way, it doesn't matter. Buy stop, 10-minute, 15-minute buy stop, all indices. I really wanted to tip them. Crash. 1 second buy stop and Q1. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10. See 10 minutes. There you go. Oh my God. Can't you outdid yourself, brother? This is fucking amazing what he has right there. It's just fucking amazing. Due to of course I don't want myself that big. Let me bring myself down to kindness. Do 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 do. Good morning, Larry. God bless. What's up, Crash? Very good analysis. I thought those were pink. They are. Let me see that SPX real quick. Doot doot do 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 do. Let me see one thing real quick. Sorry. Doot 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 doot. All right. Good morning, D Nice. Looks like the middle of the W is around 1240, and I'm sure it was. Let's go over to that 15-minute and see what crashes. Oh yeah, that is it. Yep. 1230, 1240. Yep, exactly. Perfect read. Now I did not go. Let's go hunting then if this is what we're gonna do. Second buy stop all indices. 5 second to the 10-second blue line. All indices. Make some deleting. Ding ding dongs. Ding dong baby. Ding dong. We had over 120 different correct calls alerts yesterday, all documented. 100 and over 100 the previous day. Woo! We are smoking. The 10-second blue line. All indices. Oh, this is nice. NQ1. Giveaway NQ1. 15-second line. Line. Love the buys on the 15 seconds. Absolutely adore those. 30 seconds. Nothing. 1 minute. 1 minute. Sell stop. Oh yeah, baby. Listen to it. Listen to money talk. Listen to that go. You already got it. There you go. Change it already. See those numbers? Let me go over here and see if we got our updates. Not yet. They'll come. They'll come. Do, do, do. Oh, not even in the right spot. My bad. Do. Okay. There they all are. There's the new ones. Woohoo! Oh, so they're from 3 this morning. So at 1:43 a.m. we had a NAS, and at 2 o'clock we had an SPX. 3 o'clock we had an SPX. 6:55 we had US 30, and so on. Wow, look at all those correct calls. We're already on a roll. Yay! All right, let's keep rolling. 1 minute sell stop, and this is what I'm hoping for. I want us to go down to the 30-second blue line. Ooh, I don't know if we will. 1 minute sell stop towards the 30-second blue line. All indices. 7-minute buy. 10-minute buy. 10-minute, 15-minute buy. Fill in the gap. See what these look like up here. Look how gorgeous those 9 told you. Those 1 hours and 90 minutes. We have to kick fucking ass 3 hours. 4 on me. We just jump it. We are still in a permanent buy until we see US 30 go its blue line right here. Line. So price action is here. It needs to go to there. Line and all the rest. Look, we're near record highs on all indices. As I told you, soon to be US 30 is going to be going up an additional. Let's take a look. This is so fun. 1,000 pips minimum, and it's probably going to go ahead and go up from here to there. Over 2,000 more pips. Shit, am I in that? Better make sure my other accounts are in that thing. All right, that's US 30 call. All indices will rise accordingly. Rise as they all rise. Good morning. Who am I good morning over here on TikTok? Annie Apple. Good morning, Annie Apple. What's up, Annie? Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter and Twitch and X. What's up, peeps? Da 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 da. All right, let's go ahead and do. Let's go ahead and do gold, and let's go ahead and do. Let's go ahead and do. See, not that one either. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let me go over to here and do that one. So, all right, let's go do Ethereum and Bitcoin first. No. What? Okay, let's do gold first. Shit, I thought it was the other order. Let's see. Nope, it's gold. All right, here's gold and silver. Let's see. 7-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 15-minute silver, 15-minute sell gold. So 15-minute below, 15-minute no. Close. Sell silver to the 15-minute blue line. I do not play any sells on silver or gold, but you can feel free. Let me go all the way up here to the 10-minute. Yep, 20-minute. Yep. Sell stop silver to the 20-minute blue line. Take profit one $35.90. Let's go ahead and go up. And now what's going on over here at 5 seconds? That's gold. Sell stop gold to the 5-second blue line. We don't play any of those. Let's go up higher now and find our buys. It's just creating a better buy opportunity for us as lower it goes. 6, 7 hours, 7 hour, 9 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour, 10 hour daily, 10 hour, 12 hour, 10 hour buy stop gold. Take profit one, 3,362. Take profit two, 3,400. Actually, gold is high, 422. Let's go up to silver and see what it's looking like. Yep. We'll call it a 9 hour, 12 hour. Close enough. 9 or 12 hour buy stop on silver. These are the two that I would play personally, but I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. Take profit one, $36.35. Take profit two, which I love. $36.75. Take profit three, $37.30 on silver. Love it. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's see what's going on. Looks like something's up with XRP. What is XRP? Close 1 second. They're all permanent buys until otherwise. I tell you otherwise noted right now. They're all buys, buy. Let me see what's going on here. A buy stop to the 1 second blue line XRP. You won't make any money on it, but nonetheless, call. Let me see to the 5 second. Yep, already did it. To the 5 second, already did it. Let's go to Ethereum. Why is Ethereum different on the 2 hour? Let's go. 2 hour. Ethereum. 4 2 hour. Ethereum. Let me see what's going on here. Daily, weekly sell stop. More importantly, a 3 week. Let me see the 3 week here and here. 3 monthly buy stop Ethereum. 2,500, 2,550, 2,600, 2,650, 2,700, 2,750, 2,800, 2,850, 900, 3,000, 3,200, 3,500, 4,000 for Ethereum. I'm not happy with any of those. Let's go downwards. Yes. Daily, weekly buy stop XRP. We've already hit 1 or 2 of those take profits I called out the other day. $2.28, $2.30, $2.40, $2.45, $2.50. Do I hear 260? Yep, 260. That's XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Larry Cooper and God Producer. What's up, Larry? After red reset, followed by all 5 1 second flipping green with 5 of the 3 second, which is better. All the 5 second standard buy stops are all the 5 seconds filling the gaps with all the 1 second trades. 5 seconds. Once your 1 second flipped, it's always the next one up. I know what you're trying to do. You're trying to say, well, 1 second buys into the 5 second blue lines, which is kind of true. That would be kind of true, but it doesn't matter. You're getting technical at that point. It goes 1 second, 5 seconds, just like us. That's why you see it happen. So yeah, there we go. See, 30 seconds. At least get the 30 seconds so we get a reset live. Anyway, it flips 1 second, 5 seconds, and there'll always be exceptions. But 99, 95, 10 seconds, 50 seconds, then 30 seconds fall. And then, yeah. So, yeah, once you see your 1 second, he's asking if all these turn to green, they turn to buy stops, right? All of these. And then is it next? Is it a 5 second fill in the gap? Yeah, that's probably what it would look like when this falls. But it doesn't matter. Once these fall to green, then the 5 seconds are next, if I'm reading what you're saying correctly. Maybe I'm not. Oh, come on and fall down for the love of God. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, Mike Lewinsky. What's up, Glow? What's up, Joe Bigga, Aussie Trader? What's up, Kev Alderman? Larry Cooper. Welcome to the channel, Kraken. What's up, Annie? Good morning, Fish Sugar. Welcome to the channel, JP Cards. Good morning, Michelle Lewinsky. Welcome to the channel, everybody. Okay, so ideas will be blue, pink, and purple low. Ideally on a 5 second, yeah, you'll see the hook. Right, when this flips around, I'll go over with you in detail. You're kind of talking and esoteric land. Yeah, you'd see the 1 second blue line would drop in the 5 second pink pair low. Let's see if I go over one. Yep. With and without. My God, why would anyone trade without my system? It's absolutely stupidity. I'm sorry. You have to be a very, very not smart person. All right. Now, back to reality. How do we do this? Let me go over to this one. All right. Let's go over here. He wants to know about 5 seconds. This will be hard. Back to reality. All right. Not acceptable. Yeah, you would see the. I'm not going to redraw all that, but you would see your 5 second. If you would see this is technically going to be a higher time frame, 5 seconds. So 5 minutes. So this is 5 minute. Well, in his mind, 5 minute, 5 seconds on show. You need your blue line to stay up high. Welcome to reality. So this blue line to stay up here. Pink and purple will fall on higher time. The blue line match the pink line over here. You can see it. And then the red one we have over here. Here's if I stop for FBUX. This is Starbucks. And this is a 5 second, 5 minute buy stop. Yeah. Looks really good too, actually. So you replace the 5 seconds with 10. Doesn't always hold though that the 5 seconds is going to stay strong. It's a very weak blue line. It's not strong. If you're playing 1 second, 5 seconds, sure it'll hold, but I wouldn't risk that. Good morning, Miami Rocks. What's up, Miami Rocks? You're welcome, Crash. 5 second fill the gaps. Oh yeah, you'll see 5 second fill the gaps for sure. What's up, Dry Edward? Hey, Dry. Yes, I'm live. Yes, you can see me. Ooh, yes, I am here. Yes, I'm wearing my little. I love the hats. I wear them all the time. What's up, Michelle Glow? Hi, Michelle Glow. Michelle Glowinski. Back to reality. Yes, we have our 30-second sell stop to the blue line. SDX. I love this. This is what we need. Fill in these gaps. Sell stop. I'm not going to play this, but I am calling it ES1. Sell stop to the. I'm trying to make this into reality crash. Here. Sell stop to the 30-second blue line. Let's see. US 30. Oh, fuck, yeah, it's going to be there right now. Sell stop to the 30-second blue line, US 30. Yay. We're going to get our Uno reverse to activate. Wonder Twin Powers activate. This little thing falling here. This is going to turn to red here. This is going to come down here. Oh, we're kind of already going. We're reaching this go around. It might come back up and then come back down. But we're kind of hoping for it. And then we want all of these to turn to red. Red, 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 red. Yep, 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 yep. Hope so. Back to reality. Oh, you like what you like those apples? I'm going, everybody. Just 1 second. You see if I can go. Back to reality. Back to reality. Reality. See, that's a little fun. Yep, there it is. There it is. Bingo, bongo, bango. Yet another correct call. Let's go over to SPX. Yep, we'll wait right here. Who's getting next? SPX for ES1. They're one of the same. We do have a little lag between them. I'm going to go ES1. Let's see. Back to so there's the first one to fall right here. These are the next ones coming up right here, right here. They will turn to red, Lord willing, and then we're going to get the fucking thing activate. Look how higher time frames. 5 stop warning. 5 stop. 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. Woo. Yeah, baby. Back to reality. Try. Edward says you. Try. What's up, Crash? There's I know. Isn't that great, Crash? It's gonna be a good morning. Good morning, Michelle again. Good morning. Oh, someone's saying good morning on TikTok. Let's see what we got. Good morning, Glow. Joe Big, Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, Michelle Glow, Crinkin, Annie, Apple and Fish, Hooker. Gosh, that's funny. Can we take it 2 hours? I think you need one thing. All right, it's an art job book. I believe. The thing like to come up with and then come back around again. Back to reality. Back to reality. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah. All right, that's boring. Let's move on. Back. I can't move it. Back to reality. Back to reality. All right. We called out successfully US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1. We have called out gold, XAG, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. No XLM. Nike is next. Let's take a look at Nike, shall we? Let's look at Nike through the eyes of 2 ways of looking at Nike, shall we? We're going to look at Nike with and without my system. Why would we ever look at it without my system? I don't know. It's crazy if you ask me. Back to reality. Let's see. Nike, 10-second buy. Nike, 15-second buy. 30-second buy. 1 minute buy. 2 minute buy. 2 minute buy. 3 minute buy. 2 minute buy. All right. Here you go. Let's look at Nike, shall we? This is Nike with my system, and this is Nike without my system over here. I don't know what the fuck this thing's doing or could do. I know exactly what it could or could do and will do. Nike is 2 minute buy stop. Green, 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 red because moving up. Green, 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 red went up. Green, 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 red is going to go up again. This is Nike. 2 minute buy on Nike. If you try to look over here, the non-safety trade wall chart, go ahead and pick something you want me to put on here. There is some resistance, I guess, right here. I don't know. They always confuse me on how to draw that. Oh, that would be your support. Sorry. Resistance would be right here. There's nothing you can do with this shit. There's absolutely zero crap you can do with this. Nothing at all. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So, fuck trying to trade without my system. You can't put on all the old ways of trading. Why? Because if you try to put the old system ways of trading on here, meaning right here, you try to put on any of the old things, for instance, how are you supposed to ever trade the news? Ever trade the news, right? Ever trade the news with a 2-minute news. So news is useless when you're trying to trade Nike 2 minute. It cannot happen. On technical data, there is no such thing. So that's a lie. Price that goes up and solely goes up and down because the market is manipulated. They're not going to $1 trillion alone in Forex, which is what they're doing. They have a $72.2 trillion day business. They're not going to leave that to chance. You wouldn't leave it to chance. I'm not going to leave it to chance. They don't leave it to chance. They know where it's going because they manipulate the market. If you try to use RSI, Bollinger Bands, earning stocks, all this bullshit, they don't work. We know for a fact none of this works, just because we're all taught it. And yet, 93% of us quit trading. So again, to the loons out there that still think, to the little loony birds that still think that somehow RSI works, let me break your memory. Let me break your mind. Watch. 93% exit. Day traders quit 9% after 3 years. And I'm here to tell you it's 99%. They know for fact, study-wise, that 93%. Why would 93% of all traders quit within 3 years if any of the old ways of trading work? Obviously, they would not. The old ways of trading suck ass and fail us. That isn't my opinion. That please write out the word fact if you understand that. And if you don't write out the word fact, I'll be leaving here in just a moment. See ya. Bye. What's up? Blue Tide Acrylics. What's up, Jacob? What's up, Philio? I think I can invite you guys now. If anybody wants to go live, hold on that one. I think I can invite you on the live. Thank you, Troy. Thank you, Sal. Thank you, Joe Vega. Thank you. What's up, Builder Las Vegas? Builder Las, he just comes in every now and then. He's funny. Back to reality. Back to reality. Keith Palmer, yo, good morning. Getting ready to head to Vanderbilt. Just woke up. Keith Rudy! Good morning. I'm just trying to get this dang on robot thing moving on. Poor Keith. Good morning. No rush, monster. Sleepy. He needs rest. Hell, I need my rest. He really needs his rest. So you think this shit just happens like magic? All right. Fletch and Tariah Edwards and Sub-Zero and Blue. Okay, that's fine. There's a theory. Good morning, Mr. Gold. What's up, Mr. Gold? Does anybody want to come on? I'm going to try this. Does anybody want to come on the live this morning? How do I fucking invite somebody? On YouTube. On YouTube specifically. Does anybody want to join me on the live this morning on YouTube? I don't really care. I'm just trying to figure out. What is this? Copy and invite link. Ah! What? Okay. Shit. What did I do? Anybody on YouTube want to come on the live? Where's all the news? Is in there. The news is shit. They make up the news to fit what's happening to the market. It's so blatant. When you see it and they see this bullshit lies they come out with, you'd be like, what? ESU. Reality. There. Hours. Come on, Pete. Bring it down. Bring it down. Activate. SPX. Come on, SPX. SPX. Sell stop to the blue line. This will change. Oh, come on. I really have to say what that's what this thing over here. Come on, go down to that 30 second Go down, go down, baby. Down, down, down. Good morning, Techman. No one wants to go live. Anybody head over to YouTube so you can go live? It'd be fun. Everybody's worried. What am I trading? What am I trading? Versus the Uno. Now, team fight. Look at it go, baby. Let's start. We had over 100 correct calls yesterday. 120. Yesterday before that, we had 100. This morning, these are all over. Yes, this is from yesterday. And this is the thing. Back to reality. We're already having correct call. Correct call. We are trading gold, obviously. Correct call. NAS correctly. We're trading ES1, SPX, US30. We're trading 12 different symbols actively. And there's your little alerts right there on TradingView. And we can show, there it goes. There, we are active. All right, peeps. This is what the money show's for right here. We're going to wait for these. And the next step now is that we're going to see the 1 second, eventually not soon, probably. We're going to see the 1 second flips. Then we're going to start playing these NQs. So our semi-automatic robot is engaged. Some of you don't even understand this is an EA. So this is an EA. Let me go over here and let me do that. Back to reality. Oh, geez. It's so hard to find. Oh boy, I find that shit. It's in the music. The music. No, Aberlin. No. Fine. Nonetheless, it's activated. I'll show you when it starts calling out some things over here. This is wonderful. I sell stop towards the 1 minute line. All 6 indices that we trade. Over here. How far do we got to go? Okay, ASP1, ES1, and Q1. No, YM1. Actually, it looks like NAS will be the first one there. NAS and NQ sell stop towards the 1 minute blue. All indices. We don't give a shit about these short-term sales, though. We're looking at 10-minute buys, and they're all 10-minute buys. Now you always take the higher of the buys, pick their buy stops. Let's fall for a little bit. Right back up on the 10-minute chart. Because there we got a slight head. Good morning, Techman, and Filio is true on that. All right. And welcome to the channel, whoever that is. I don't know who you are. You're obviously Wall Street 55. I can't hear his name. Welcome, Wall Street 55. Good morning to you. I've been doing this for 3 years. We have over 5,000 YouTube subscribers, and we have about 1,000 people bought the system. Hundreds of people use the system regularly on a monthly basis. And this is my YouTube channel for those of you who are new. 5,000. I'm so excited we just hit that mark. Over 1,000 videos, and actually over 2,000 YouTube videos. Then you just take your time to read over. We do have a cool store too. I love the store. All right, let's go back to it. You can try to trade raw dog. You can try to use indicators such as RSI, VWAP, volume, look to the left, ASIN and decent. But what really is going to tell you is going to happen. It's color coded, made for beginners. If you want to consistently make money, you might want to look into getting the system, because green buy stuff. It goes as people bust blue. It's like 2 minutes. You will see Nike go today to $61.36, and then $61.42. And that is your Nike call. Now we can start calling Nike even higher time frames. Let's go up and see. Nothing. 1 hour sell, 2 hour sell. 2 hour sell, Nike. 2 hour, 3 hour sell, Nike. Never do a sell on Nike. Nike's a permanent buy. And it is a monthly, 3 months buy stop. Nike doesn't have a stronger recommendation. Take profit one for Nike, follow it down, by the way. It'll be $65. Take profit in these $75. Nike's going back to $80, 85, 90, 95. We'll go back up to $125. That is Nike.
Demo trade only.
And any somebody want me to call, by the way, anyone that's new here, you can ask me. Wall Street 55. You can ask any symbol, and I will trade it for you. Next. I mean, just look at this shit. You have no clue if this is going to go up. You can't tell me one. Matter of fact, that show tells you this is going to go down below, and it's going to go down here. It is not. My system tells you the buy stop is going to flip and go back up to here, and it will. Watch, it will. Target. Let's take a look at Target. Love Target. Target is a 3-monthly buy stop. Currently, it's in sell, moving downward. We'll get two thoughts about that because we only look at Target as permanent buy. 12-hour daily, weekly, 3-weekly up. It is a monthly, 3-month buy, and it was a 6-month buy. Target is a 3-month buy. Target price will be going back up to, let's get it clear here. It will go to 105, 110, 115, 120, 25, 30, all the way back up to $180, and that is Target.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
J&J. Johnson & Johnson. I love Johnson. I just always love Johnson & Johnson. It's a shitty company, but it's a great buy stop. Monthly buy, this is just fantastic. Johnson & Johnson will go 155, 160, 160, 165, 170. That's Johnson & Johnson. And not only are these the ones,
not a financial advisor.
Not only are these the ones that are current, but I'm telling you right now that you'll be able to trade all of these symbols for the next several months. The stocks you'll be able to trade for the next several years. These are all permanent buys for Nike, Target, J&J, CDF, FA Lottery, AMD, Verizon, and Tesla, by the way. I don't know why Tesla's not on there. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP are permanent buys. Gold, silver are permanent buys. We're calling gold out correctly for the last 3 years. US 30 buy one, have another, and now I think you want FTX and ES1 all permanent buys. 30s, another. We have a first time frame. Whoa! Change. Let's take a look. You have 30 days. Come on. Buy stop. You're going to see it go above it. Watch, there it goes. There it is. Buy stop to the 5 seconds. Let's see if we got it. We have anybody going to the 5 seconds? Yes, we do. 5-second buy stops all indices. This is exciting. Free money giveaway. YM1 5-second buy stop to the blue line. Let's see if we can get NAS involved in this. NAS to the oh, come on, it's right there. We're going to see them all flip to green. Take every buy stop you can ever find. This is a ricochet buy on NQ1 buy stop. NQ1 is in. These are little tiny. Oh, look at them all fire. Look at that. Bingo, babo, bang. All pop into the 5 seconds. Told you. Look, these are all filling in green. One, there they are. They're in the green now. 10 seconds buy. There it goes. You're going to see this change to green, and then a 15-second change to green. Wow. What a system. What an amazing system. It calls it out before it happens. Do we get any? Did I require US 30? Let's take that requirement off. See if anything pops. if it generated anything for us at that time. You see it's thinking over here. We just got not thinking. Let's see. That was awesome. What a play. Yep. Almost missed it actually. There we go. First time frame. 10-second buy stop. So there you go. Look at your little, these are the alerts that pop up. This is a robot. Some of you don't understand it is. This is an actual robot. We're going to go over to US 30. We're going to go over to the 10-second. Look at this shit. Yay, baby. We're going to come right over to there. Oh, this is just perfection. Buy stop. There you go. Take your time. We're in zero rush. I'm going to refire these off because it looks like all the time now. Peaks dropping. It'll flip, turn around, and come back up. You'll fill in the gap. You're going to see YM1 and US 30 go back up to the 10-second line. Let's see if we can get up to the 15-second. Yeah, we'll get there soon. And here's your little tiny movements. These are not. These are 15, 20 pips on US 30. Like YM1 is processing. That was fun. Yeah. Back over there. Good morning, GB. We're already off to this. Yeah. What's up, Erica? Hey, GB. Hey, Erica. What's up? Joe Big. What's up, Joe? Making money. Las Vegas. What's up, brother? Nine out 36.49. Franken, Wayne, out. Good to see you. Welcome back. US 30 crossing. Help you keep going. Not good enough. Buy stop 5 seconds. We'll stay right here. Look at the 5 seconds. You're going to see this red come down. You're going to see the pink come down. You're going to see that go back up. You're about to see this turn back to green, and then you're going to see right there go back above this blue line. And then you're going to see that right there fill in the gap right there. Man, I need more sleep. And this is, what is this? I don't know what this is. US 30. I'm guessing the same exact thing happened on YM1. Yep, same exact thing. YM1, which is a futures order here. Exact same thing's going to pop. Just be patient. We're in zero rush on this. Might even get a little bigger hook down here. I hope we do. Replay section come down a little bit more. You'll see this come down. You'll see the blue cross come back up. You'll see this turn green like this, and you'll see the price action. And that is, we go down to 1 second now. Let's see. Nice. We'll just wait. Again, care if it happens right now, this second, or if it happens in 5 minutes, doesn't matter to us. Be patient. Now, if we go all the way down back to the 30-second blue line, we are. It is a 30-second sell stop. 30-second sell stop. YM1. But again, you can take this out. You sure can. By all means, I'll set an alert down there for you. And US 30 back down to this 30-second. But I am not going. Oh, where's the thing at? I am not going to trade these. I never do. I don't need to buy. I hope it goes all the way down to the 30-second. And I have to watch my out. That we see this come, so we get another reset on it. I love when we can trade out in reverse lives. Back to reality. We'll just wait right here. It is a 10-second buy stop for US 30. So if you're going to play this, go to here. Buy stop ricochet back to the blue lines or something. You see when this pops goes back. Oh, this be. Fuck yeah, it's 40 pips. Yeah. US 30 YM1. Yes. Yeah, 10-second buy stop. Buy stop, man. Let this drop further. This is fantastic. Thank you one. Thank you one. Love this play. Orange line or what was it for 2 lines for that? Shit, hold on. This is gorgeous. You see SPX. 10-second buy stop back to the blue line SPX. Gorgeous trade. Love this trade. ES1, a lot of you like to play ES1, a perfect ricochet. Buy stop is closer to 15 seconds. Oh, hold on. Yeah, 15-second buy. That doesn't matter. The 15-second buy stop. ES1. Oh, I can see it formed. Look how good he is. See that? Very tall. This all. ESPX. SPX. Here we go. We're going to call these. Let it take its time. We're in zero rush. There's no whatever. I don't even know if there's news later. I don't give 2 fucks. Just be patient. Got 15-second SPX. ES1. Not sure it has an NQ1 will do the same. Let me see if we can call it 15 seconds. Nope, don't care. Nope, don't care. So US30 and YM1 are your weakest buys right at the moment. Yeah, they're the weakest. I don't like them. I do love the NAS. NAS to the 10-second blue line is just beautiful. Yep. It'll be the same thing. You'll see green, pink cross to the right here. You're going to see the rise up, and then you're going to see price action go up. Let me draw that out for you. See this turn back green. To that right there. Blue lines up, and then this will come out. Again, no rush in any of these trades. Don't force anything. Take your time. NT1. Where's our higher time for the sell? 2-minute sell stop. 2-minute sell stop to the 30 line. I'm not going to call it, but that is a trade right here. I'm going to put my alert right on there. Same for SPX right here. Same for ES1 right here. I hope there's some kind of news this morning. If there is, they can do a nice drop for us. And then we'll get in after that. There is also another just ricochet back down to the YM, a 30-second blue line. But we're going to go ahead and, yeah, it's right there. And also a sell on 30-second sell on. 1 second. We're going to stay right here. All right. There's your US30. I'm sure it's just right here. No big deal. Sell right there. Nice. Let me see YM. Go down to this 30-second blue line. No, just be patient. You don't have to. You're looking at a 10 buy stop. In fact, later in the day buys. These are buy stops right here and here and here for YM. You'll see this go up sometime between now and 10:30 in the morning, and then you'll see it at 2:30 in the morning. 2:30 in the afternoon, not 2:30 in the morning. Sorry. They play on the 4-hour candles when they make their moves. That's why your news comes out at 8:30. That's why your news comes out at 2 for FOMC. They use the 4-hour candles. NAS 10-minute buy. You already hit take profit with NAS one time actually. NAS 10-minute buy. 22,000. You'll hear if you want. Take profit 309 and 22,300. Take profit for 22 172. SPX 10 minutes. It's going down. So flip it, come back. Not questioning. It will. When it does that, the final take 5.6. Then you can close it down. Okay. Sometimes I get a little trigger happy right here. And then ES1, it's in the game. 10-minute buy stop on that one also. Let's show you that one. 6,126. 6,131 is the take profit I love for ES1. And then we'll go. All right, now we're all set up for our long-term ones. Let's go back up and see how US30 is doing on it. 1 second. 1 second buy stop, the blue line, US30. YM1, same. NAS, NQ1. Okay, now let's go to my big so see how much. I did not just kill that. Fuck. Hold on a second. I gotta open up. Fuck. Hold on. Then set up. Fuck. I can't kill that one. Back to reality. Back to reality. Erica again. Who is this? Crash. What's up, Crash? As price approaches these 30-second lines, what is the earliest your system can detect if it will bounce into the bigger buy stops or proceed down to the 1 minute blue lines? This question keeps me up at night. You just follow what you're seeing. So if you just follow me, go down and trade. Oh shit, I hope this is right. Is this my right setup here? Hold on. Yeah. 5-second buy stops, all in, especially free money buy stop, ES1 to the 5-second blue line. And then how do you know when it's going to flip and go to the next lower time frame? Well, you never take a sell. So that should solidify your sleeping at night problem. Never take a sell, only take the buys. So as I'm watching this, you can go over here, you can go over here. Oh, this is underneath, this is underneath, this is underneath. Sell, stop, sell, stop. Let me see here. I think 30 minutes. Back to reality. Yeah, you just can't. I mean, I can't even call it sell for you. Yes, we know it's going to go down to the 30-second game. Got it. Didn't know that, but that's not, I can't call it. Not calling it. Yep, and YM1, let me make sure on that. Or, nope, YM1 sell to the 30-second blue line. So if you're never going to take a sell, I wouldn't worry about it. If you're taking your 5-second buys to the blue line, a 10-second buys to the blue line, a 15-second buys to the blue line, then once it's the 30 seconds, I wouldn't even worry about it. See, the 30 seconds is already over. We have a, where that is. Back to reality. Gonna live for the moment. SPX. SPX 500. It'll do it again because so that was easy. The reason why that one so far about 5 seconds, it was actually going to go up there and touch that. Boom, boom, boom. This is the book buy stop. Boom. That's why that was going there. US 30, also a 5-second buy, by the way, but you're just going to have to be really patient with YM1 and US 30. Really patient. And that's all. We're going to wait for it to turn to all reds again. We want these all to turn to red again. We'll fucking fire it up one more time. We want these to flip to red again. All of these, including this. That might be hard to do. We'll see. We can pull off another one. Great. We go to ES1. Do 5 seconds. Just back up, hit its blue line. FTX the same thing. The same thing, crossing 5 seconds. And Q1. There you there you go. On US. I told you. Around, take your time. These ones. It's going to turn green and green and green. Back to reality. Was it ES30? Yeah, ES30. 5 seconds right there. Let me go back to the chart. 5 seconds. There you go. So again, because SPX and NAS were together, so NAS is completely above its 5 second blue line. They come over to here. SPX was below it. Now you have US30 trying to catch up. So now you have US30 to its 5 second blue line because NAS and Q1, SPX, and ES1 are all above it. That makes sense. So now we have a buy stop ES1, I'm sorry, YM1 and US30 back to reality. Look. See, there you go. And then we need US30 to go. It's 5 seconds line, and it will right here. You just have to do something. You guys just impatient. Well, been down. I can't help that. YM1 at an alert. Watch this easy piece right here. Now we have 4 out of 5. I'm surprised. Is my hold on? Is my thing not calling this? Hold on. We have. Oh, we don't have the new code, and Keith has the new code coming for everyone out there that has it in the reverse. It's gonna. There you go. 5 seconds. Change green. This one. YM1 to go to YM1 free money for 5. There it is. There it is. Next up is the 10 seconds. And 10 seconds green for you. Now what we need to do down here, it's not too strong enough. You'll see this pull down like this, and it's smaller. You see the decline pull down like this, come back around. You'll see price action do this right here, go back up this blue line right there. You'll see this little space coming right here between the yellow line, and then down. And then you'll see your buy stop to the 10 second. Well, we got 5 seconds again. Let's go back. 5 seconds. Oh, it's already past it. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. What yes. I know there's small. I don't want to hear this shit. They're all correct. Look at that shit. So we're well over 50, probably 60 correct calls. Oh, but you're down. Well, I don't give a fuck. It's still a correct call. Watch, here it goes. You're going to see pink cross purple on the YM1 right here. You're going to see this gap fill in right here. You'll see price go up. You'll see the pink cross the purple go up towards the blue. And then you'll see price action go up towards this line. Same for these. You're going to see all these hook come up, hook fill in the gap on the space. You'll see that pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue. Yep, there you go. Now, drawn out, break it out. There you go. There's 1.35 second buy. There's NQ1, 5 seconds. There's 500. Yeah, baby. No, there it is. There's your film. Yellow, pink cross the purple, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, pink cross the blue, up it went, and then it touched. I'm sure the exact same thing on the US 30, and it did. That was free money to YM 5 seconds. Free money again, 5 seconds. YM1, you want no draw down for your silly old little funded accounts. There it is. There it is. Oop. There it is. It's going to have to rehook. God dang. Watch. It's going to have to hook down here. I think we'll see at least the pink top with that will come back up. Then you'll see price action finish out over there. Look at it go, babies. Look at that shit go. Woo! Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Lachey. What's up, Lachey? If anybody wants to try to join me on the live on YouTube, not TikTok, just let me know. I think I can add people, haters, lovers. People are thrilled. There it goes. Told you I to come back down. Told you. See price action come down. That's the pink line coming down. Told you. And that just gives us a better entry again. Make more money. Let it keep falling. Let's just go for just let it fall down. Now, anybody want to join me on? Go over to the safety trade. There, 575 for the year. You can put in on YouTube like to join me on the live. I don't care what I'm saying. Right here. To test YouTube. Oh, technically, restream. Just restream out. Does anyone wants to join me on YouTube live? You can be a hater. Lovers. Don't give a shit about me. I don't care. Anyone. I don't give two fucks if you guys like me or don't like me. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Man, we got a lot of people on TikTok because we're making all kinds of money this morning. Good morning, Joe Builder, Builder Las Vegas, Geo, Tarzan Black, Aussie Trader, Glow, Larry Cooper, Michelle Galinsky. It's my time, Sal, Crinkin, Annie Apple, Techman, D Nice, Stud Breezy, Kenny J, user 1570, The Griffey, Corey Bradley, Ryan Marcus, Super Z, Iceman. Welcome, Iceman. Welcome, quite a few of you. I can't go live with you on TikTok because you fuck up my TikTok. I want to try to go live with somebody over here. I don't give a fuck who you are. If you hate me, don't want to. I don't give a fuck. If you want to do it, come on. Come on the live, peeps. Wow, that was fun. Let's go ahead and try to make sense out of YM1 5 seconds without my system. Buy stop. YM1 ricochet back to the blue in 5 seconds. Love the trade. Let me make sure we're US 30. US 30 same. US 30 same. Let's see where we're at with NAS. It's already too late. Let's go to YM1. All right, YM1. This is what's going to happen. It already has. You're going to see across the blue. You're going to see this turn back to green. You're going to see price action go back above the orange line. You're going to see price action go above this blue line. This is what's going to happen over here. This is going to turn back to green. Is go up like this. Price action up like that to the blue line. And you're going to see the blue line here down here to come up, and that's what's good. And there you go. Now, can you tell me that over here? I don't know what the fuck this is. You can out there live try to explain what this Y 1 5 seconds is right here. Tell me. Tell me is it going up? Tell me is it going down? Tell me I don't know what the fuck that thing's doing. Feel free. Good morning, Justin. If anybody wants to come on the live from YouTube, or I think I can try Facebook Live. If anybody wants on the live, everyone's scared. You guys all scared? What the fuck? I heard public speaking is like a nightmare for most people. I don't get two fucks. Trying to test restream out. Does anybody want to join? No one wants to join. I have Lachey. What's up, Tony Villabosa? Bose. What's up, Anthony? You don't stay long. I don't think you have to stay long. I'm not really sure on that fact. I have no idea. I'm just talking on that. I want to test this out so you can see on TikTok if I have someone join. It's a fucking nightmare of doom. On TikTok, it's a whole because you can't delete them, you can't let them go. I have to start my live over to get rid of them. I want to see what happens on restream. Crash, you want to crash, Rudy? Crash. Come on, I can't. There you go. Get down to business. The feet. No, I always wear my hat, but I don't think that way. Look, there it is. There's the draw. I told you exactly what was going to happen before it happened. I colored out exactly what was going to happen before it happened. I told you it was going to happen before it happened. It did. Anybody notice? Anybody notice? There it is. There it is. There it is. I told you that the now it's going to hook again. I told you the back it did. I told you price action was going to go up to the line did. I told you the line margin call. I'm going to have our logo trade because it's pink down and hook. You see blue hopefully stay high. You'll see a space right here, little gap right here. You'll see it come back up again. Price action. And there you go. I'm running on no sleep. Watch your 100 calls on repeat and took notes while watching my video replays. Everyone in my life thinks I'm losing my mind. And I hope you are losing your mind, Crash. In a good way. Crash over here. Yeah, the blue drop. Now the blue line has to come out. You can see the paper cross. This will be your entry right here. You'll place right here, and then let that do its thing. All right, that is. Let me see something else. Hold on, let's look over here too. I don't want to get carried away. 5 second. Oh no, 5 second buy stop. I'm not backing up on that. Still a 5 second buy stop. So Crash thinks it's losing life. Actually, sound like me when I was creating the system. I literally, I would work on this 24 hours every day, nonstop. Good morning, John Parker. We're just having fun making correct calls right now. I blew it. I don't know how many new ones there were there. 743. So these are the correct calls right here. Let me move this over for people on TikTok. This is time stamped by. Oh, there we go. How many more down here? So we're probably 30 this morning, 35 this morning. These are all correct. 730, 34, 739. There we go. Thank God for correct calls. Let me see my draw. Switch. This is my triple. Buy, stop. 10 seconds. 15. Yeah. Damn, Keith, you're so fucking good. 15-second buy stops right there. Let me go back to that 5 second. Again, no, I'm just fucking do this 30. I can't help it. Yeah, buy stop to the 5 second blue line. I don't give two fucks where it's going. I'm stubborn as a mule when it comes to these things. Why I am one. There you go. Tons of stuff on YM1. You have lots of, hold on, I'm just going to get you 1 second. Yeah, 1 second buy stop to the blue line, YM1. Come on. I swear US30 is passing around. Come on, little US30. All right, well, I'll head back the other way. Oh, you guys can't see me anymore. Tony, back up 1-2. What's up, Tony? Grand rising to you. Good morning to you, John. If anyone, do I still have that availability? If anyone wants to, and what I put it, some bitch. Where did the double sign at? Oh, son of a gun. Really? All right, let me rewrite it. Buy stop, US 30, 10 second, 5 second, NAS, SPX, ES1 buy stops. Oh, there you go. Hold on, I'll get to this. There it is. 5 second touch. 5 second touch. Ding, 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 ding. It'll change. Other next up, 10 second. There you go. Let me see why I'm 1 5 second. Yeah, buy stop to the 5 second blue line. 5 second blue line. Buy stop. YM1 easy to the 5 second blue line. Let me see US 30. Free money giveaway again. We'll just stay right here. Now let's go back to here. Let me go to 5 second. Oh fuck yeah. YM1 buy stop. YM1 blue line. Free money back after 8 start 10. 5 second hitting. Yeah, 5 second hitting. 5 second. US 30 on the fuck. Yeah, baby.
I am not.
Baby. There it is. There it is. There it is. 5 second buy. YM1 for you funded traders out there. I won't call you names. There it is. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. Funded traders. There you go. You still have time. You still have time. I don't want to hear you bitching and whining. This is the one that's lagging. Woo! John, you want to come back to me? Okay, I'm trying to get this done, and I'm not getting anywhere. All right. Anybody? I swear to God, why do you want to? You guys scared anybody? Does anyone want to help test out Restream and join my live right now? Can't, it's there. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. Why am I told you it was 3 months? What's up, Kobe? You didn't check my messages. I don't know what to say, Kobe. There is no messages. Kobe Bryant, baby. What's up, Rich OBX? What's up, Cranka? You didn't messages. This is your problem when you actually no, can't do TikTok. I just said I fucking can't do TikTok. When you actually are trying to write stuff you shouldn't be writing, there's nothing to check. How cool is that for an effect? This is TikTok, watching TikTok on TikTok through TikTok. That is funny as fuck. For those of you on YouTube, you didn't see that. But yeah, I can't see your messages. You don't have any messages because they're stupid. If you're trying to write nice things, go ahead, or stupid things, just send it into the email. See, you guys on TikTok don't understand. You come over to here, and you will see that you will see that we're on live on YouTube. There are messages that you can't see on TikTok over to here. Okay, and there you go. Did out, drew out, did exactly like I told you. It was fantastic. Back to reality. Back to reality. I will test it with you. Oh, thanks, GB. What's up, GB? Let me see if I can get that link. I don't know what to do. All right, I have no idea what to do. How do I message you? I will test it, Kevin. Reply. Block user. Nope, nope. Don't want to block user. How do I? Can I private chat him? Shit. How do you private chat somebody? No, that's not. Privately talk with the host and other guests. Well, I am the host, so that's fucked up. All right, let me see. Can you send you the link through email? GB, if you would check. Oh, free money. Again. Look at my baby. That was exploding in the money. Time frame. 15 seconds. US 30 I stopped in 15 seconds. There it is, baby. It's going to the green right here. Bingo. Papo, bango. Let's see why I am one. Oh, shit, right there. That was free money. Free money all the way around, all morning long. Thank you, GB. Appreciate it, sir. Woo! Yes, I'm trying to work as hard as you do. So we now want to see the 3-minute blue line peel off the bottom, I think. Bingo, papo, bango. 3-minute blue line. Well, you're still jumping up there. You're jumping ahead, my brother. And you'll peel off. You're correct in the statement. But really, all we care about these fast ones, I keep people's attention, they'll get bored. And then we go up to where the real action, which is the 10-minute, 15-minute that you called out earlier. So this isn't even got started yet. See how the pink line just crossed? This hasn't turned to green yet. This hasn't gone above the yellow. This hasn't gone above the first or the second, which is this just getting started on the high for US 30. That was buy stop to the 15-second blue line, US 30. Free money, giveaway, free money. Back up your great trucks. Make sure you have your ATMs on and open. You're taking out all kinds of money. There is no service fees today. This is just money. Free money in the money. Da, 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 da. We're in the money. We're in the money. Da, 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 da. Second buy stuff. It's all free money. That's all I'm going to do. Now, if there's any news this morning, we might get a pullback. That'd be nice. Easy as fuck. Let's see. Yeah, I see the big buys and mouthwash starts watering. I need to take it. Yeah. What you're doing is you're getting too zoned in on like these 1 second, 5 seconds. I only do these 1 second, 5 seconds, so I keep people's attentions on TikTok. Like, I don't know what bro over here is saying. Kobe, do me in your questions. Kobe, will you email in your questions and I'll answer your questions. TikTok is blocking your questions because obviously there's some kind of shit question. If I shit question, it's something you shouldn't be asking. TikTok will block things if you're asking something that shouldn't be asked. So what thing? Good morning, Kirk Brown. So yeah, anybody that wants to call in, we used to have call-ins every I think it was every Wednesdays. I remember having Patrick on a few times. I don't know. We had a few people on. Back to reality. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Damn, we got 30 people on TikTok. That's great. Carson Black, Joe Biga, Gio Boru, Aussie Trader. Hello, what's up, Lewinsky? Mike Lewinsky, best friend for 4 years ago. Larry Cooper, John. Oh, John's over there. What's up, John? Papa Star. I'm Sal. It makes my time. You've been quiet. What's up, Crankin? Michelle Lewinsky, Rich OBX, baby. Annie Apple, Techman, D Nice, Stud. What's up, Kenny J, Corey Bradley, Ryan Marcus, Super Z, baby. I think his name is Kev. Kirkland Brown, Abdul, what's up, Abdul? Welcome to the channel. John Reynolds, Tej, what's up, Tej? The Grandmaster. I love Tej's name. You doing, Tej? Good morning, Guy Ramiro. What's up, Guy? What's up, Kirk? We're currently crushing it this morning. We've had, holy shit, 50 new. We gotta be over 100 now. This morning. Yep, over 50. We're over 50 correct calls again this morning. All timestamped by Google, Gmail. You can't deny this anymore. I hate fucking people who deny. And we have another 50 here. Are you shitting me? Oh, wait, first 50. Hold on. Then go back. Back to reality. Back to reality. Let's see how many. Nope. That's it. We're at about 50 something new trades this morning. All correct. All correct. Free money giveaways on several. What does that mean? That means those are the trades that, unless God, something's going to happen wrong. You can't miss. Look at your YMs. Look at the money. Wow. In the money. I'll teach you exactly how I do this. I sent the email. Oh, okay, cool, GB. Let me see. I can't teach you right now. I'll get GB. All right, live. Okay, let me respond. How do I do this over here? Give me get that link again. Invite link. Copy. Let me go over to here. See emails there. Negative. Let me go over here. And negative again. There it is. All right. Thank you, sir. Let's see if we can get that control V over there. All right, I sent you the link. Any second now. I guess click on the link and tell me what happens. I don't know. It does not repeal anyone. TikTok. I swear to goodness. I am not rejecting anyone off saying, get the fuck out of here. Someone keeps repiling pansy ass shits on TikTok. There you go. All right. GB, I sent the email. GB has the email. Let's see if he has the link. And then let's go back over here and go back into here and do this and do that. This and do that. You haters that just can't stand the fact that I'm on here helping other people make, whatever. Oh, good, it's going down. Perfect. We're having an awesome pullback. Awesome pullback. This is fantastic for our entries right here. It looks big on the 1 second. It's not even shit on the 15 minutes. So it'll get over here. Just gives us a better entry again. All right. So how do I know if you click? Can you tell me if you click? Shit. How do I know if anybody's here? Good morning, Guy Burger. How do I know if he's trying to connect? God, it says setting the stage. Oh, fuck. What does that mean? It says I'm joining. Really? You can join without me approving that? That's not the swellest idea in the world. There you are. I see you. So no one else sees you yet, right? Let's see. That is you, right? Hold on, let me click on it. Oh, how do I click on it? I see him. Shit, where you go? If there's any news this morning, I mean, we can play it if you want. Let's see. How do I get him? Oh, there. There it is. All right. GB, you sure you want to go live? You're welcome. You're positive. You're ready to go live, right? I don't want to put you live if you're not ready. You're all set? Okay. Seems like you isolated the error in my ways. I am staring at the 20-minute where all indices are filling the gaps, blue, pink, top, anticipating the yeah, but that's, you got it. They form an order. Crash. Everything is played these 15 seconds. Yes. And then I will never correct. Crash. That is 100% correct. All right. I guess if he's ready. How do I get in the joint now? Let's see. Boom. There you go, big. Oh my God, there he is. What's up, Monster? GB. What's your full or what's your first name you go by, GB? What's up? Can I get about a three-way maybe? Ah,
George.
there you are, big and large and in charge. I don't think I can hear you though. Fudge, how do I get him? This way. Yeah, maybe that'll work. What's up, bud?
Hi, how are you, Kevin?
I can hear you. It's very late. Okay. Can you guys hear? What's your first name?
George.
George. Can you guys hear George? Let me turn this volume here. George, go ahead and like sing the star thing. No, I'm just kidding.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
I don't know if they can hear you.
Morning, all safety traders.
Yeah, you're my first ever guest on the YouTube.
Hey.
You're making history, George.
All right.
That's awesome, buddy. How long have you been trading for, George?
I've been trading about 2 years or so.
2 years. Don't you wish you'd have found me about 2 years ago?
I do. I do. Yeah, I've been through some tough times, but yeah, I'm finally starting to see some profits. And, yeah.
Mike, can you hear my question? You see me like point my finger at you live?
Yes.
Or there's delay?
I think I'm seeing it live. I'm hearing a little bit of a delay.
Can you hear that alert?
Yes. Yes.
Because YouTube has a delay. TikTok is really quick. Wow, doesn't ever pop in. Like for instance, let me change my chart. Can you see your screen right now?
I see the picture of me or your screen.
Can you see the chart?
I can see your chart, yes.
Okay, did you see something just like a little reverse chart? Or is there a delay? See, the charts are delayed, but you're live. That is interesting as fuck. That's weird. Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
So you're live on my screen, but my charts that I'm changing are taking. That's awesome. You guys welcome George to the live, please. Please tell him welcome. And then if you guys can hear George, please. Oh, damn, another call. Back to buy stop 50. There's 10 buy stops. Live. Nice training right now that I can help you with. Your entrances. What is there?
Actually,
Something I can do?
Actually, Kevin, you've walked me through. I've asked questions on the YouTube, and you've answered all of them. I go under GB on the YouTube, and you know, I just keep practicing. I love the Uno reverse.
Reverse.
The Uno reverse is awesome.
Yeah, you have the indicator, right?
Yes. Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah. Awesome. I'm wanting to save up here to get the gold, the metals part of it, because I like to trade metals, but I
do.
I guess it gives you that extra sense of confidence when you're trading.
Now the gold is it's very, very good because it's gold and silver, they work together. But in technicality terms, you can kind of set up your system you currently have to do that. You don't have to get that. Now, it does come with the signal wrong for gold if you don't get on the other one. But I mean, if you love gold, get it. If you're just doing it because you kind of like gold, I wouldn't do it. I don't think it's necessary to get. I wouldn't waste the money. But if you love gold, there's some people that trade gold and gold. I mean, there's hundreds, thousands of people that just trade gold only. Then absolutely get it.
I do. I do enjoy trading gold.
Okay, enjoy it. I tell you,
yeah.
what to do. Email me afterwards. Your trading view username. I'm going to give you the gold system for a month for free just because you're on here.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome,
Okay.
Tim. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah, they can hear you, but you're very quiet too. Now, I don't know, George, you probably don't have a microphone. You're probably talking into your computer or the cam or something.
Yeah, it's a webcam, and I know that my mic does. I have some problems with my mic sometimes on the webcam. That might be hard.
Yeah.
Sorry, you were asking for somebody to help, so I thought I would
I
hop on.
appreciate that.
You've helped me, so I can at least I can.
It.
And I'm not one person. I'm not somebody that likes to be in front of a camera or on the mic. So
I hear you. I didn't
really stepping out.
go in front of the camera for two. I didn't even do a camera when the people came on my live. I wouldn't go on the live. I didn't go on. This you guys see me this year is like I keep trying to do it all the time, then I don't do it, then I try to do it. I don't give. I'm not egotistical. I don't want to show my face. I don't want anyone to. But I figure to give people a taste with the product, you know what I mean? So they feel more comfortable with things because you are dealing with money, even though it's demo money only.
Demo trade only. I am not.
Yeah.
There's my little, how many times is that one? This is my little money button. Then the actual trading view. Question for you. What made you get into this in the first place? You probably saw me. Probably thought I was a cocky son of a bitch, cussing over everything, calling out so many different symbols. But what made you actually purchase, if you don't mind me asking?
It was what I saw you on TikTok, and the just you walking through your trades and what your system does as far as the time frames that it's checking and everything that's it's spelling out. That's where I was having problems. I was having problems with my entries, my take profits, and I just see it so much clearer. Just like you said with your with the regular screen that you're just stock chart. You can't pick up anything from that. When I've got your indicators, I'm starting to feel a lot more comfortable with my entries, my exits, my take profits, stop losses, etc.
So when I flipped it, I might see in the next hour, but I first started one without my indicators. And you try trading wall, I'm sure that didn't work out well for anybody. You need to have some kind of indicators. What kind of indicators did you try that failed you? Did you try?
I was basically using the 9, 21, 55, and VWAP.
Oh, you were doing volume VWAP, yep.
Yeah.
You'd win sometimes and then kind of lose, and then kind of lose.
And I feel like a lot of times I'd be really close to the trade, but when they'd give me that red candle that would scare me and stop me out, and then it would shoot right back up, and it would have, if I had stayed in it, it would have hit my target. So
yeah, probably the block trade volume VWAP stuff is just Did you ever try Fibonacci or Fibonacci retracement?
I've not tried the Fibonacci, no.
Never tried that. RSI, any of those?
I did try Bollinger Bands, and I did try MACD.
Yeah.
MACD oscillator.
What about the support and resistance? Did you try to do support and resistance?
Yeah, I did. But again, when a lot of times I would get knocked out I would look at that spot and then get knocked out because I thought that was going to be my resistance, and it turns out it wasn't.
right? I remember. And then they never understood. Well, I don't want to get into that. Buy stop for 5 second blue line now. Can you see? Let me see. Here's the lagging. We're going to try to pull up some trades here. Let me make sure. 1 second. Hold on. 1 second buy stops the blue line. First of all, have you ever heard a trader call it a 1 second trade and actually be right? You ever believe we're trading 1 second trade? I was told it was a 5 minute basically. It doesn't make any sense. Can't go look 15 minutes. Here we are. 1 second buy stop, US 32, the blue line. Where's the belly? Take my cross, go up. We'll just on the cap lab, and we'll go right there. It's going to be the blue line as they speak. And there it is. YM1. YM1. YM1 to the 1 second blue line. Yeah, it's a bit challenging in these waters. I wouldn't recommend people trading 1 second, but I do it to entertain you guys. A lot of fun, fun because you guys can look at. You know, we're supposed to be trading up here on these dailies. If I was trading dailies, I would have 0 viewers, and I wouldn't blame them. I mean, this is 8 months. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. And so, you do understand when I pull up that chart. Let me pull up that chart for you. I say these are permanent buys. You name symbol. Nope. Where's my buy ones? Told you 1 second. When I pull these up, I'm saying gold's a permanent buy, silver's a permanent buy, and everything 3-minute buy. Now that you have the system.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's any news this morning. Big news, CPI. There is, let me know, but I don't give 2 shits. A lot of people emailed in. I have like 2 or 3. They'll even, what do you mean a buy? Because it's a 6 for years and years and years and years. Isn't that crazy?
I wish that my.
I think that's funny.
Yeah.
Funny when I tell people for years. Well, that, you know what it is. I mean, what more do you want? You can see a 3-month buy, and if you see a 3-month buy stop with my system on any it's not like, you know, people always want the long-term more buys. You have a 3-month, 6-month buy stop on night, and then you have a 6-month, and then you have a 12-month. Nike, you get this. The delay. You see this. You're going to see Nike pink line on the 12 months on this sniper. The 6 months is at the bottom. The 3 months is at the bottom. It's purple. You're not going to get a stronger buy over the next several years than Nike. I mean, it's as easy as on the higher time frames, you can't mess it up. I mean, to me, I don't know. Say this dollar cost average in your buys. If you start buying Nike at 60, they can go to 0. I used to say that about Amazon. Amazon was like 90 or something. I go, Amazon going to 0 or the end of the world happening. Buy Amazon, it's going to go up. If you go to Amazon, when I'm to the worst, I recommend it. Those longer term buys make sense.
They do, and I wish my account size were larger so that I could stay in those. I'm trying to build it so I can get to that point. I think summed up. I kind of told you my backstory, but so I'm trying to just concentrate on building the account right now. So I'm taking a lot of the I'm taking 15 seconds through 5 minute.
Gold's a good one to do that. So glad you took gold. Gold actually, you know, one of I mean, you literally are trading with $1, $5, $10. Whereas US 30, you can go one in US 30, you're putting in dollars. That can go $200, $200 negative on you in about 5 seconds. It would be down and out. Yeah, that's a rough one. But gold is a nice, easy one to trade. It moves very. It'll continually go up. It'll continually go down when it's in downward movement. They'll continue to go up and up. When you get over to like these indices, they bounce the fuck around, 20, 30, 50, 100 pips in a minute, 5 minutes. You're like, wow, what's going on? And gold just kind of puts it along, goes up, 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 up. So gold's a really nice one to trade. Silver is usually lagging, kind of like Bitcoin usually leads on your crypto. Ethereum, XRP, XRP, follow kind of thing. So that's why Bitcoin's in the middle. I'm trying to give you kind of hints here that I can help you out with actually came out. Worried about that. Did you lose any money? Are you just going to go trading now?
Yeah, I did. No, I'm trading real money. I did lose money. I was I kind of bounced around a lot. I had a margin account and I was trading mainly stocks. So I'd be up and then be back to my margin account, or back down. I wasn't gaining any ground anyway.
Right, you're never consistent. Everybody. Buy stop and buy take a blue line all in. Buy stop and buy. I don't know what yes, buy stop YM1. US 30 to hit it. Gonna do it again. There. All right. George, what else can I do for you? Anything you want me to cover? Is there anything I don't bring up you want me to bring up? Is there any? What can I do?
No, I really appreciate this. Like I said, I wasn't really prepared to get into anything. I was just going to try to help you with your camera, but you've run through everything through your lives. I appreciate that.
Okay.
I need to be able to catch more of them live.
But yeah,
practice.
I appreciate your support also on this live. I'm gonna have to give you a YouTube award. Have you ever seen our YouTube award? It looks like come on, I don't have it there.
Blue acrylic award or that award? Yes, I have seen that.
Have you seen that? Yeah.
Yeah, I have seen that.
Your name and address. Is it in America? You're in America?
Yes.
Okay. Send me your name and address, and we'll get you out one of those little YouTube awards just so you can have it for being the first person.
Okay.
And that'll be your little thing. I know it's not much, but it's cute. I love it. I think it's cool. And Jacob, one of our guys, makes it for us. Does anybody have any questions for George? Are you ready to take a question from because people out there are nutty, George. Oh my God. I still have haters that are pissed, and I come on the live every day giving out free signals, helping you all make money, and people are still mad at me somehow. I'm like, what the fuck? Okay, bro.
All I can say is if there's anyone on YouTube that's thinking about it and hasn't pulled the trigger yet, go ahead and do it. It's the money that you spent is well spent. You spend that on a couple nice dinners or whatever, so maybe hold back on that and spend the money here and invest in your future, and hope to make that list one day of your retired traders.
Do you like the support you've been given? Do you believe that I've done my absolute best to help you try?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Like I said, the lives, you can't watch and rewatch them enough because I'm always finding something else in them. It's been a few Saturdays ago, I think, but you came on and did the mindset thing, and you're gone into trading explanations, but I mean, you're always catching something different. Is
Yeah.
what I'm.
Remind me, I have to do that today. I have to do and you understand they buy stock on US 30, all indices, until US 30 goes up to the weekly line, which is 1,000 pips away. So don't do any symbols for it, just don't. It's because they're all going to flip and turn to buy. If you're doing a 5-second, 10-second sell, but even if it goes down to the 30-minute line, which I wanted to do by Wednesday, Thursday, which maybe not. But if we get a pullback, just don't play about it. It's just giving us more money to make on the way up. Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely.
But in a one of these indices, when it, I mean, it's just not. Let's see, we're already at 15 seconds. Yep. 10 seconds. Line to 30. 15 seconds left. Call that shit on. I stop to the. I think my biggest gift to you is that just don't get suckered in the cells. You see, don't do it. So many people on this here go, oh, I'm playing a 30-second sell to the. Why? Why would you play a sell with it? 100% permanent buys only. I don't understand. I know they're 10.
If I've seen that. I've seen that if I hear you say that you don't play them, and if you don't play them, I don't need to be playing them.
There you go. Now you're, there you go.
Smart enough to realize that,
The other thing for you is remember to always write. If you see me write something down, whether that after it's on live, but if you're seeing me write something down on the screen, I think a lot of people underestimate what I'm writing down. You should probably write that down, take a picture of it, remember it. That I just really just talking about writing down what I write down. It's like if you have the I draw like a green or orange or whatever arrow, and I say, hey, this is going to be a bite. I would take your over. Wait until you go over ice. Watch. You go over ice recorder. There you go. Ice cream app. You go over here and do a free download, and you can have the same drawing tool I do for free. That's something value for you. There you go. And then if everybody out there would have that. Good morning, Ace Bullet. We're on. We have our test boards on this morning, GB.
I don't know if you can see this or not. But.
Nice. There you go. Nice printed picture with your writing on it. Love it. Did you know I went through over a green paper
with me and study?
I love it. Now, this ice cream recorder here that you can draw with, right? It's free. And then you can record with it if you upgrade like $50 a year, whatever. I don't know, whatever. But I recorded. You know what those little external terabyte hard drives were? You know what they have? I recorded over a dozen of those I have with my trading. I would record my session, then I would go back over and rewatch those sessions over and over and over and over again. And that's what I would do. Can you imagine how that's not normal? But I didn't care. I had to figure this shit out. So I'd strongly recommend getting the free version of the ice cream recorder. Then you guys can start drawing out like I draw. Then you can start. Like you just gotta practice at it. It's just gonna take some time. I mean, I told you, like Tommy, he made trade literally like within an hour after I trained him, making $10,000 trades. Tommy was a trader. He was an engineer. I started. Are you an engineer? Engineers make the best, and the military make the best traders for me. They follow orders. They follow what I say. Yes, your sound is.
I am not. I do.
Oh, they're having trouble hearing me. That's funny.
I'm not an engineer. No.
No. just think of everything logically, step by step by step. That's all. That's what you do. All right. Well, I won't stop you anymore. I'm going to go ahead and delete you off here. I don't know how to do that. Thank you so much. Yay, everybody, thank George.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yay, George. Appreciate you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Never forget.
Appreciate you, Kevin, more than you know.
Send in that email for the gold.
I appreciate you more than you know.
Okay. Thanks, buddy. God bless. Talk to you soon.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. All right.
Okay, so I think George is gone, and I think my sound will get better. Give it about 15, 20 seconds, and please thank George. Crypto. Oh, gee. US 30. US 30 passes 10 seconds. SPX. SPX. The 10-second blue line. 5-second blue line. Free money alert. Buy stop. SPX. Thank you, George, so much for getting out. Buy stop. The 5-second blue line. All indices. This is a SPX ES1 to the 5. The 5-second blue line. More money for you guys. There it is. Whoop, there. Look at all the new ones. Look at them all. Not new. New. Look at all these alerts. New. Well over 60 now. More money and more money. Free money giveaway. SPX. Let me go over to this. Maybe it costs more. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Come on. 5-second buy stop. SPX ES1. Free money giveaway. Free money giveaway. This is easy. They're pulling it down. This is they're even giving you more money. Drop it further. 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 Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. We're gonna make some more money. We're gonna make some more demo money. Demo trade only.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Let's see if easy. There you go. 5-second buy stop. NAS, SPX, ES1. Oh, this is great. Let me go down 1 second. Oh. Take your time. We're zero rush on this. 1 second buy the blue line. SPX. 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Thank you, George, so much for coming on. I'm just going to try to get some more of these calls in. There we go. There we go now. There we go now. There we go now. I wonder if I can do this. TikTok. TikTok. Let me move this out of the way. Why am I showing up? TikTokers, can you read? Hold on. Can you read the charts from here? Yes or no? On people on TikTok only. Thank you, George. Thank you to Michelle Galinsky and Ace. Thank you, guys. Can you guys read the charts on TikTok? Yes or no? Just TikTokers. I know YouTubers can. Yes, says Aussie Trader. Yes. Yes, but. Kirkland says yes, but. I wonder if I zoomed in a little bit for you guys. Oh, I can zoom in. Interesting. Yeah, we might have a new perspective for you guys on TikTok. We'll see. We shall see. All right, I'll keep that in mind. Zoom is better. I agree. And I should go back to the other one, but I'm going to go ahead and see if I can't pull this right here. Oops. Yeah, you guys can zoom out on the chart. Hold on. Right? You guys can zoom on the chart. I don't have to zoom, I don't think, on TikTok. Buy stop to the blue line, SPX, NAS, NQ1. Woo! There you go, babies. Free money. Free money got. You still have time on SPX 500. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that go up. Holy, in the money, in the money, in the money. TV, us, bringing us all kinds of 1 second buy stop to the blue line. 5 second buy stop. You still have time for SPX 500 to the 5 second blue line. Free money giveaway. ES1 SPX to the 5 second blue line. Let me thank George. I don't know first name, horrible names. Thank you, GB George, for being our first guest on Twitter. Thank you all. Look at him. ES1 to the 5 second blue line. You're in the money on that trade. All thanks to George's good luck. I put it here. Sound is very bad on YouTube. Really? Let me see. He's gone. We only have that. Let me see over here. Nope, we don't want to see my ugly face. Let's go down there. Yeah, it should be nothing. I don't know why. Let me turn off the camera for a second, see if that helps. Give it just a minute to reset. And let me see if the sound is better now. Okay, is the sound better now? I can never figure out the sound in this fucking computer. I swear, it goes good, goes bad, goes good, goes bad. Thank you, George. Thank you, George. Thank you, George. Look at the buy stop. Look at the buy. YM1 and the money. Look at it go up. Call after correct, call after correct. Every one of you, 15 seconds on SPX to the 15 seconds. Money giveaway. SPX, SPX, ES1 to the 15. Free money giveaway. These are easy peasy, straight to your all green. Everything is green. There you go. There you go. Correct calls happened. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my God. This is fantastic. To the 15-second blue line, all this money being made. Yes, but still not great. I can't help it. What else can I do for sound? Let me go back over to our settings. I wondered if him coming out would matter. Shit, I just forgot about that. Yeah. I'd have to flip all those things around. That's not ideal shooting here. Let me go back over here. Then do this one and go there. Okay, we'll leave it right here for now. It does not. And TikTok. Anywho, there we go. All right, we're back over here now. Good morning, Bob, on TikTok. Good morning, Kenny J on TikTok. We have about 40 minutes to market open. I'll be going right after market open. Let me see. Is there any other way to improve the sound right this second? try to leave the camera off, see if that makes it any better for you guys. Do. Bob, any questions for me? Anybody, any questions for me? Does anybody have any questions for me this morning? Oh, this is great. Great. Pull back. Great. Oh, finish. US 30, go down, go down, go down, go down to the 30. There's no way US 30 is going down there. US 30, go down below the 30 second. US 30, US 30, go down below the US. Nance. Oh, come on, Nance. US 30, Nance. We need these to turn red. Please turn red. We can get some more. Plus, we'll get some more buying opportunities for market open. Please turn red. These three right here. We want these three right here turn red. Come on. I shouldn't bet. We already got our thing. All right. I'm going to be back. Uno reverse activated. Uno reverse activated. Red. They turned red. Oh my gosh. All 30 seconds. This is fantastic news. This is fantastic news. Oh, this is fun. Fantastic. Hold on. There it is. No. Damn, how far back was I? How about now? No, end. Yep, start right here. Woo! This is a start. I'm going to mark it here so we know. Let me mark it here so we know. We're waiting for everything to flip back to green. Once it does, the time frame 1 seconds, we'll know. So now we're waiting for. I can't believe we got the red. That's so awesome. Buy, stop, all in this. As soon as these 1 seconds flip, we'll start playing these ones right here. Nice. All right, I'll be back. Everyone go take a break. I'll be back. Ask your questions. All right. I'll be back in just a few. Hopefully that green doesn't change before I get back. All right. I'll be back in a minute or two. All right, I'm back. Little calisthenic workout. Squats, which I got to do more of here. All right, peeps. Warning, schedule your clients. Buy stop all indices. Let me see this. Yeah. 30-second sell. NQ1 and NAS 100 to the 30-second blue line sell. US 30 and YM1 sell to the 30-second blue line. YM1 is a lot of actual. Now, we don't play those, but I'm calling them for you. Let me see. Yeah. We're going to wait for our flip on our buy stop here to all green on the 1 second. Buy stop all indices to the 1 second blue line. Oh shit! Come on now. Let's get this trade in. Right. EUR USD. I'm a billionaire. What's up? There you go. Buy stop. All hit. All right. Let's. For those of you who are unfamiliar, other market as far as trading goes, Forex is the biggest market in the world. It is the biggest currency pair on the subject here in the world. Bigger than EUR USD. Nothing. And Forex is the biggest market in the world. Interesting. Things that make you say, buy. These are making money. They're all making profit. EUR USD. Let's take a look. I'm looking there. Good morning. Good morning, Bob, again. All right. Let's take a look at EUR USD. Any of this is what you see and you cannot. With my system, you can. EUR USD. Let's read it. On the left, you'll see EUR USD raw. On the right, you'll see my system with it, and I'll teach you how to use it as I read this for you. Sell. Nothing. 1 minute. 1 minute blue line. EUR USD is a short-term sell to the 1 minute blue line. I wouldn't trade that. We're going to go up here and look for our buy stop. 7 minute buy stop. 7 minute, 1 hour buy stop. Right. Again. It should have been. You're a little late. You're a lot late, actually. This is, I think it must have got called EUR USD. Buy, you're late. Weekly. All right, buy stop to the weekly blue line. You've already missed take profit 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Take profit at 1.18149. This is EURUSD weekly to the blue line, and then 1.19, and then 1.20. Buy stop. EURUSD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So you can barely hear me. Son of a bitch, my sound is fucking up. Let me see if I can turn it off again. Or head over to TikTok, either or. Testing. Is it any louder now? How about now? Is it sound any better now? Is it sound any better now? Is it sound any better now? Time frames all turn green to 1 second. Go to 1 second to see. Second here. Oh, hell yeah. Buy stops to the 1 second blue line again. Buy stops to the 1 second blue line again. All indices, buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Well, I hope these things pull down. There you go. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. All indices, buy stop to the 5 second blue line. Everyone that's making money on my trades, please buy my system and support me by monthly add-ons. If you're making money with the system, please. If you're not, don't do it. US 30 buy stop to the 5 second blue line. Just sit here and wait. Now I'm gonna go back to TRUSD again. Right. Yes, there it is. It does sound somewhat better. Okay, cool. Sorry, I have microphones out my ass. I have the microphone on the laptop. I don't know what the fuck. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. I don't. All right, so if we're going to look at this trade, we're going to look at the trade. Okay, here. On this 12-hour buy, run ERUSD with my system on the right, without my system on the left. And we're going to go back in time, and I'm not going to do long. It's really quick. Matter of fact, I got to do the mental side of trading. All right. And if you look at this right here, you're going to see my system on the right, the way the raw system on the left. If you look right here, this is what you're looking at on the raw system. If you look over here, this is what you're looking at on my system. At the same exact time period, this is EURUSD. This is the biggest currency pair in the world and the biggest market in the world, Forex. $7 trillion a day. And for those of you who are new and never heard this, the banks that you deposit your money with take your money, go into Forex, and trade it against you, just so you're clear. I think it's a scam, but whatever. So here you go. This is right here. Good luck on support and resistance. I don't know, whatever. We all know if you try to add right here. Whoa, it's entirely different. If you try and use the old ways of trading, RSI, look to the left, volume, fib, they fail 93% of the time. Okay, my way, okay, just so we're clear, the old ways of trading, if you try to add on any of these other indicators over here, like RSI and all these old things to this shitty ass chart that's playing, just use price action, dumbasses. said known as a clue of actually how to trade. Or you see mine, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, pink crossing blue. We have our buy stop formations, color coded. It's made for beginners. My system has people retiring from it. Okay, so shit. What the fuck is that? Wow. Well, whatever's going on there, that's that. Right. So this right here, old way of trading. Okay, sucks ass. The old way of trading. You can add RSI to this. You can add volume, VWAP. You can add look to the left, Fibonacci. They fail 93% of the time. You don't believe me? Google it. 93% of all traders quit within the first 3 years trying to use these ways. If you use my trading system, it's color coded. Green means up, red means down. What does that mean for your trading? All you have to do is wait for this exact setup right here, and you take a buy stop. So what is a buy stop? Let's take a look. Glad you asked. Right here. You come over to here, and you come over to here. Let's take a look real quick. Let's just say that Anderson Invest Pop, welcome to the channel. Trumpathon and Stud Breezy are here. Okay, we're going to use Kenny J. Hey, Marley Mar, what's up, Marley Mar? We're going to use Kenny J. We're going to put him in red swim trunks. Okay, now what the hell? This is made for children, for our children to go and buy. I use it for adults too because it's so easy to see. Kenny J is in red trunks trying to go down. This is an analogy. ERUSD 12-hour chart. Each one of these little histogram bars is 12 hours. Red trunks to the red bars. This is red bars to the red trunks. Underneath, they're going to see three other indicators, three lines that are green. That's the equivalent of, maybe if I take this back off over here, that's the equivalent of three green bars, three green swimsuits. Anderson and Vespa on the left, Trump with on in the middle, Stud Breezy on the right. These three bars are pushing up against the red down. This red down fools 93% of all investors, because that's how I know, because 93% of all investors would take a sell and they would lose, because this is going to turn and go up. My system tells you it's going to go up because there's three green indicators, three green swimmers pushing up against the one trying to dive down and get the gold balloon, gold coin. That is Kenny J trying to dive down. We have Stud, Trump, and Anderson all pushing up against them. Does everyone get that analogy? Yes or no? Good morning, Brian Claude. Poof, I love this. I'm glad you love it, Poof. Molly Bar, everybody, does everyone understand the analogy? Yes or no? Okay, let's keep going then. From above, you're going to see three more people lower hooks against poor Kenny J trying to swim. You're going to see three more green swim trunks. These three green swim trunks are these three green indicators on my system. These three green indicators are green. They're pulling up for Kenny trying to swim. And he's being pushed up and pulled up by Stud, Breezy, Trump, Athon, and Anderson investing. Now watch this as happens. This trade's trying to go down. I know my system knows for a fact it's not going down. It's going to go up in reverse. And my system tells you when to get in, profits to take, stop losses to enter. I'll teach you that in 2 seconds. Everyone keep watching. Orlando Walters. Good morning, Orlando. Again, we have Kenny J buying something trying to get this gold coin. We have Stud, Breezy, Trumpathon, and Anderson, Vespa pushing up against them. Then we have three more being hooks coming down. Four, can you really hurt? We have Sub-Zero, Atlanta Walters, and Proof on the billion. They're pulling up on him. So when it's being pulled up, there's a buy stop. You have no chance to go down. The trade has no chance to go down. It's going to go up. You can't see that without my indicators. You can clearly see this buy stop with my indicators. Without my indicators, it sucks ass. With my indicators, you have an extremely good probability of winning this trade. How do you trade it? Easy peasy. There's rules. When the orange line is below the green and yellow, you enter it. The buy stop, the future pending order. There's rules. You put this is a 12-hour. We can put it right here. Your stop loss below the pivot point where it went in. There's rules. Take profit one is on the yellow line. Take profit two, which is my favorite, is on the orange line. Take profit three is above the previous take profit. You have what's called a runner. This is how you set up your trade. You never have to worry and get out. Where do I enter? I tell you exactly where to enter. Right here. You never have to worry about where the take profits are. I tell you exactly where the take profits are. You never have to worry about stop losses. I tell you exactly where stop losses are. And let's play out the trade, shall we? So we're going to go ahead and flip it. We'll throw in more money again. We're going to go ahead and enter the trade. This is an EUR USD buy. We're going to go ahead and hit the play button back. You're going to come over here. You're going to see the profit go up. You're going to see that all that matters. Don't worry about the profit. Oh, this is I don't give a shit about the profit. What I care about is this the correct trade? And yes, it's the correct trade. Anderson pushed him up. Trump pushed him up. Reed pushed him up. The trade went up. You can clearly see it was the right trade. That's what we make these call outs every single day. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop. Free money giveaway. SPX to the 5-second blue line. SPX to the 5-second blue line. This is a free money giveaway. This is an easy peasy trade. You'll see this go up, whether it's now or right before 9:30. You'll see that it's 5-second blue line shortly. Buy stop SPX. Buy stop ES1 to its 5. Yes, you heard me right. We do play the 5-second, 1-second buy stops here all the time. 5-second buy stop NQ1 for those of you who like to do funded trader. You should come out and watch my live. You'll have zero drawdown or very little drawdown. And you'll have there you go. YM1 already there. US30 already there. All right, let's go back to what you're calling. One buy stop. Buy stop. There you go. Watch this. This will turn to green. This will turn to green right here. Hook up. This will cross pink. This will come back. Over here. You can see this go up like that. That is for NQ1. Same for NAS right here. Same for SPX. Same for ES1. And we'll just sit here and wait. Matter of fact, we can go down to the 1-second now. There you go. There you go. There you go. Buy stop. Touchdown. Touchdown. As I go this, we're going to touch the 5-second. Touchdown. SPX to the 5-second. NQ1 to 5-second. NAS to the 5-second. Has anyone ever seen this? 1 second of 5 seconds as accurate as I do know that is possible. Good morning, little Joe. How's everybody on TikTok doing? Are you guys still with me? I hope you guys are still with me. I'm only going to trade for look at all these excellent calls. YM1, look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Look at all the correct calls coming in, stringing in one after the other. Correct call. Boom, 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 boom. Head over to safetytrade.com and buy the system. Buy the system, and you can trade just like I do. You can become retired just like these members have. My only goal here is to help you all get retired through demo trading. We have a list of people. D Nice is on the live this morning. He's retired. Marco Risby, Kimberly Harrington, Maria Toller, Mr. Gold was on earlier. I don't know if Gary's still on. Adam is retired. Bruce is retired. Tommy and Jake can retired. And we even have one of our members become so good over the last 3 years. He's used my system. He is now not just retired. he has his own, from Norway, his own actual regulated brokerage house, Hero Markets. This is one of our members that's done so well. He's not only retired, he's used the hundreds of thousands of dollars he made for my system and jumped through all the government regulations of Norway. He's a regulated broker in Norway. These are retired people. If you buy my system right here, you can maybe join them. Buy the system, retire. Buy the system, demo, trade only, and retire. There you go. Over and over again. How many correct calls is what I don't fucking know. Buy, stop again. Buy, stop again. All indices. Buy, stop again. NAS 100. Buy, stop again. It's already in money. Buy, stop again. NQ 100. Buy, stop again. It's already in money. It's too late. I'm late on this. Already in money on NAS and SPX and YM. Let's see if I can get SPX. SPX 500. Already in money again. Already in money again. Already in money again. In money on ES1. In money on SPX. How many times? See, I don't know. Here's some updates. Here's some new trades. New trades again. Let's take a look at them. Oh, sorry about that. See right up my nose. Let's see right here. New trades again. Let's see. All these pop, pop, pop. All these are correct trades. All these are correct trades. All these are from today. There's your timestamp. All today. All correct trades. All correct trades. Look at them all. So we're over 50. I want to see if we got up to 100 again today. I don't think we did. Maybe about 70. These are all correct trades from today. All correct trades from today. Still this morning. You can see the time frame. Still this morning. And nope, we're at about 95, about 90, 95 correct trades this morning. I'm going to round up and say that's 100, close enough. Fucking fantastic. Look at this. Hundreds of correct. There it is again, another correct trade I didn't even count. Again, this is going up. Buy stop right here. 5 seconds. There it is. I told you. Boy, we're going to need a hell of a pullback for us to make any money at open. We've just gone up and up and up today. Looks like system is sold out. Oh shit. Is it sold out? Hold on. I didn't think about it. We had a few left. No. The sold out one is the one-on-one. We just had 3 people left training class. This is the one you buy. Save yourself some money. If you're sitting on one-on-one, contact me. I'll work something out with you. I can't stand doing it. We had training yesterday. There were 7 people scheduled. 3 people showed, or 2 people showed. 2 people showed. So why take an extra money? 5, 10, 15 people, a small group. It's really good. In the money again. Look, there it is. Told you. In the money, in the money, in the money, in the money. Let's go back to here. Let's go to 30 seconds. And there it is. There you go. This is amazing. This is fucking what you're witnessing is history. Here's your robot telling you to enter this trade. You can clearly see which one is that US 30. You can clearly see on US 30 that the entrance call. This is the start. This is where it started to look for trade. This is where it told you to take the trade. You see this? Fucking incredible. That's all I can tell you. If we go over to NADS, let's go over here to and do the exact same thing. Right there. Come on. No, come on. Right there. Entrance for NADS. You want to go to SPX. Watch. Okay, so let's get clear. This line right here is when my robot told you to start looking for the trade. So this is going to be a beautifully thick white line. This one right here is where it told you to enter the trade. Yes, this is a robot. I know some of you don't even understand that. This is a robot. bought, and this is where it told you to trade. You can clearly see my system is smart. I didn't enter the trade before any upturn on SPX, before the upturn on NQ on NAS and NQ1, and any upturn on US 30. And that is the power of my system. It knows how to read the charts better than 99% of you. You're welcome, Annie Apple. Yes, little justice. Yes, okay. Can the system be used in Forex? Yes, it's literally made for Forex. I just went over the ER/USD trade. Forex is the biggest market in the world at 7.2 billion. I just showed you ER/USD, a 12-hour buy stop on it, and how you could have made money in Forex. It works on GBP, JPY. It works on anything that you can chart. This is your system. This is my system right here showing you. This is it without it over here on ER/USD. All the old ways of trading. Got another buy. Money again. NQ1 crossing over to NQ1. NQ1 in profit. NQ1 in profit. SPX in profit. ES1 in profit. YM1 in profit. US 30 in profit. All in profit. Can the system be used for it? Yes, it can perfectly, says Orlando Walters. Orlando is correct. Yes, it can be perfectly. And for those of you that do not understand Forex, Forex is actually used by all your banks. They take your investments that you've dropped off at the bank and they trade Forex against you. They use your money against you. Isn't that nice of them? Scumbag. Cash shots, that's what. All right. There you go. All right. You're welcome, SNF, and welcome to the channel. Before buying anything or looking at anything, even though I made over 100 correct calls today, 120 yesterday, and over 100 the day before, and go on and so forth, I would just go back to my YouTube channel, and I would literally go under my playlist, okay? And I would literally, my YouTube channel is right here. Take a trade. I think you're on it. Yes. No. Yes, you're not a fan. I have over 1,000 videos. Good luck watching all those. I would go over here. I'd go underneath my playlist right here, and I would take my time, and I would go, where's my one at? How do you know? Uno reverse right here. I would go underneath how to trade the Uno reverse overnight trade. I would take my time. Be in no rush. Sit back. This one's an hour, almost 2 hours, 2 hours, almost 3 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, an hour and a half, 3, 4 hours, an hour, and just re-watch these videos. Watch the videos so you can get very, very comfortable with my system and then make your decision to buy. I've been here for 3 years. I don't need the money from you. I'm good. Just take your time, learn the system, and then do the purchase. Okay. Now we have market open coming up. We have market open coming up very, very quickly in about 5 minutes. Unfortunately for us, we need a pullback. We need this shit to go like this. I need hard. We need to do this, and then we'll try to do this yesterday for us. Thank God. I'm hoping we can get a pullback maybe on SPX or something. But if we don't get a pullback, I can't enter in any of these trades for you. So we need a nice solid pullback. I'm hoping ES1, SPX give us the pullback, and then I'll get to this buy for open. And I'm going to leave really, really quickly after open. I'm not going to stay on long, maybe a minute or two. I have too many things to do today. Too much fun to happen. I have all day to trade or to build a robot suit. Wally, can we call a robot Wally? Wally. All right, and if you have any other questions, SF, please ask. If anyone new here has any questions. If anybody on TikTok has questions, I saw quite a few of you new ones there. What's up, Jamie Rojo, Corley, Bradley, Techman, Annie App, and Kraken? It's my time, Little Joe, Sal. If any of you guys have any questions, please ask, okay? Please ask. I'm here for you. I'm here to help. Look at it go up before there's nothing I can do. There's more provide. There's all my alerts. There we are. YM1 still going up. There it is. Again, hundreds of correct calls. Look at all the words right there. They're all new correct calls. I got it. I have a high-tech roller gas holding up. It works, don't laugh. And there they all are. There's your new trades. All firing off 9:15, 9:22, 9:14, 9:12, 9:02. This is all trades from this morning. All making money. 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Please do not trade market open. If you're going to trade market open, make sure you listen to me quickly and demo trade only. I move in and out of trades very quickly. I don't think I'll be trading market open this morning though. I'm good. Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. Oh, gorgeous. 15 seconds. Buy free money NAS. Buy stop 15-second, buy stop free money NAS. Let's hope they drag this down even further. We're gonna make even more money. NQ1, buy stop, buy stop. SPX has already done it. You've already have. Let me get the shit thing on the way. There we go. NAS is the money. NAS 100 money. 100 money. SPX is too late. SPX is too late. Let me see if we can get YM. Nope. YM1 is too late too. You have plenty of time for a buy stop. NAS 15-second buy stop. Let's drop down hard. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop SPX. SPX. Put your little buy stop. That's money. Put your everything out of there you go. There you go. ES1. Baby. ES1. All correct. All correct. We have been the pullback for market open. Market open. Let's right at a minute. Market open at a minute. Please do not play market open.
I am not a financial advisor.
All right. How far will this pullback go? Who cares? Just play the 1 seconds when they flip over for you. Don't worry about that. And don't forget, we're still looking for a 30-minute sell stop later this week, but that's beside the point. Buy stop all indices at open. You have a 15-second buy stop all indices. Now 15-second, 30-second buy stop at open. 15-second, 30-second. If this thing falls, let it fall. Who cares? We're going to be collecting the money on the way up, baby. Collect the money on the way up, baby. Less than a minute to market open. I get really excited. We're going to take some demo money only. Lock in profit if you're trading. Do not trade with me. I move very fast. I'm going to be calling out these trades. If it doesn't go up now, it will go up before 2:30 this afternoon. They always do that. Let this fall down super far. We see how far it's falling now. There you go. There you go. Turn red. Turn red. Oh, we need them all to turn red. We'll hook in the market open. Here we go. Follow it down. Follow it down. Follow just like yesterday. It dropped like a rock yesterday. Keep following it down. Follow it down. Follow it down. Follow. That's perfect. Further down we go, the better. The more money it goes down, right now, the more money we're going to make as it turns to go up. 10-minute buy. 10-minute buy. Love the 10-minute buy. Stay right here. Collect your money as this comes up. Collect your money as this comes up. Then, oh shit. Then buy the system. Come on. Then buy the system. Come on, little buddies. Let's go. Let's go. 10-minute buy stuff. This is called up by one of my members. Crash earlier today. It is a 30 minutes of blue line sell. But I'm going to go with the buys here. Perfect. This is just perfect. 10-minute buy stop. All indices 10-minute buy stop. Just follow it down. Take your time. How much time do we have left on this one? Hold on. I don't have my candles telling me the time. All right, where the hell's the thing? Hold on, hold on. Thank you. All right. That really doesn't help. 8 minutes to the camera. Oh, fuck that. Actually, we got to go down. Oh, no, wait. All right, buy stop, just like it did yesterday. Buy stop. All indices, buy stop, 30 second. All indices, 1 minute sells. I don't care about that. 3 minute buy, 5 minute buy, 7 minute buy, 10 minute buy. Basically, 10, 15 minute buy. This is these are huge. Likely these will come up. This will come up. Watch. There you go. All in the money. All in the money. All of them in the money. There you go. There they come flashing up. You see that on TikTok? Look at them come flashing up. All those alerts over and over. Take your profit out. Take your demo profit out. Look at them. As called out live, as traded out live, as I told you, as the system told you, head over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system for the love of God. There it is. You can learn the trade just like I do, just like Crash is the one that called out the buy, just like I do, just like my members do. I have several members that are retired, and way more than this, by the way. I just don't have it listed. We have members retired. We have members going here. Just buy the system. Get the hell out of there. Take your money. Why am one? Re-enter the trade. This is fantastic. Why in the money? Why am one? US 30 money. Re-enter the trade on ads. Re-enter the trade on ads. Buy stop on ads again. Buy stop and Q again. Take some money. You got a high note. God bless you all on TikTok. Talk to you later on TikTok. See you. I hope you all made some demo money. Thank you for being here. Next, YouTubers, Twitchers and Twix. I got to go. Talk to y'all later. Thank you. It was a great, fantastic morning. Holy shit, was this a great morning. That was fun.